Hi guys, if you're using a Speedlight and you're constantly using these things up, what you need is one of these. I'm just going to show you. It's a DIY portable power pack, and watch this. Bang. Isn't that amazing? I saw a video online how to make one. Let's get rid of these batteries a minute. You'll never need these again. AA's or AAA's. So basically what we have is a 6-volt 4.5 amp battery, and believe me, I done this with just scraps of wiring, and it sits in here, and I will open this up in a second and show you how it works. But yeah, look at this. That's amazing, isn't it? Constant. Let's switch it off. Right, let's just show you what's actually inside the box. Hope you can see that all right. Turn the light up a bit. This is just an old sandwich box. I found lots of this stuff, just scraps, bits of materials I used. And if we open it up, there you can see. So that's a 6-volt 4.5 amp battery, a couple of spade connectors. It runs through, from the positive, through a 5 amp fuse, which I've actually soldered on. Better off though using one of these, which is an inline fuse holder. Can you see that? There's one end, and there's the other end. Yeah, so that's just an inline fuse holder. I didn't have this at the time, so I just soldered it on in through an on-off switch. Just show you that there. Out to the switch and into this terminal here, which runs through to the flash unit. That's obviously, that is actually, I will just show you. It's one of these. You can see that it comes apart. One's male, one's female, and there's a little bolt at the back there, so you drill a hole into the, well, sandwich case, screw it up, solder the bits, and that's it. You're away to go, and easy to disconnect and reconnect. If you're not very good at soldering, I suggest you use these, and these are brilliant. It's shrink wrap with a bit of soldering inside, so not only does it seal, if you like attach two bits of wiring together, splice it and, you know, screw it up, put this round it, and it'll seal it and add solder to it. Brilliant little bit of kit. Anyway, so moving on, this is just a sandwich case. I put a bit of packing in there just to fill it out, so to speak. As you can see there, it's just a couple of elastic bands. And the other end of it, I will put a link in the description to show you the original video that actually made me do this. On the other end is the actual wires going into the actual flash. I'll just take them out. And there we go. And there we have it. We have two dummy dowels there, and what these basically do is they can complete the connection from the battery right through, out the other end, into the negative, back down to the negative pole of the battery. Very simple to do. There we go. That's all it is, two little dowels. In the other video, in the link on the description, he will explain to you better how he done that. You have to cut a little notch out. Well, that's the only thing is you have to cut a notch out, but it's better. You can still use it. You can take this out and still use it as a normal battery pack. One thing I will make clear, and this will be in the diagram at the end of the video, is on there it's got negative, but it's not. You have to put it, if it's negative there, you have to put the positive in there. I know it sounds strange, but you'll understand if you see the drawings. And vice versa, if that's positive there, that's negative there. These two above are, if you can just see them, they're the permanent connections. So the current goes in, through and out, back out, positive, negative into the battery. And that's it really, simple little job, works perfect. I've no complaints at all. Just switch it back on. And that's it. On another little, I'll just show you another little adaptation thing I've got. This is a macro ring flash which I've adopted to fit on a tripod. You can see that is the ring flash with a bit of diffuser on it. And this sits on a tripod. This system here, if you look at the batteries there, it's 4 in line. Now that's great because it's 1 in, 1 out. There's the 2 connecting bits in the middle, just to make sure you get them right if you're putting dowels in it. I thought about putting another connector block in there to recharge. You see this exactly the same, to recharge another connector block. But if I show you my charging appliance, I can charge it at 2 volts, 6 volts or 12 volts. And to be honest with you, all I've got to do is take these 2 ends, positive and the negative, and just clip them onto the spade connectors on there. So there's no point in putting another lead on there. And that's about it really. Any questions or comments, leave them below. This thing goes on forever. It literally just never packs in, lasts for days. You'll be so shocked, surprised how wonderful it is. And thank you to the guy who done the original video, and thank you for watching this video.